Hi, everybody. Tricia from the Virtual Foundry here with the answer to a frequently asked question. What kind of support material can I use with Filamet metal, glass, and ceramic 3D printing filaments? Well, you have a few options when it comes to support material, and they are the same for all of the filament materials that the Virtual Foundry sells. The easiest way to manage supports is with a dual extrusion printer. Then you can use any support material that you would use with regular PLA 3D printing material, including PLA itself and other materials like PVA and water soluble supports. Some folks have had problems getting brands of PVA to stick to PLA, and that would be the same case with filament as well. Without dual extrusion, with a single extrusion printer, you would simply use more filament as your support material and break that off after printing and before going into your debind and sinter process. You might have to file a little to get your part smooth after breaking off the extra material, but this is a way to do it if you have a single extrusion 3D printer.